Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are in Bakersfield, California. It's hot, it's dry. We're at the Kern County Museum, here to check out some cool history of the area. On our way out to Arizona, decided to stop by. There's one thing here I'm really excited about.
Every mile, every smile, we're making memories, we're living wild. Adventures waiting, let's take the ride. Together we're stronger, with love as our guide. Every mile brings us closer, every step feels right. On this journey as a family, we're shining bright.
One of the cool things about this museum is that they brought in a bunch of historical buildings from Kern County into one location. You can go around and see them all.
It's all original and all one piece, including the windows on the doors. Work in this very room. And both of these desks and those chairs belong to Mr. Howell, and the pictures on the walls there and there are William himself and his sergeant.
Look at the bread!
You see the kids bed over here with the little screen over there?
Now this is really cool because you get to see different styles of home. You're in a Victorian mansion, then you're in an adobe, then there's a log cabin over here we're going to check out. Really fun to see some of the history of this area.
Wow. Did they have a surf?
Now I have a special place, literally a special place in my heart for Bakersfield. When I was a teenager, I was in a car accident that led me to be flown to a hospital here in Bakersfield where they performed a surgery on my heart. And so ever since then, I've always said that I have a piece of my heart in Bakersfield, or Bakersfield will always be in my heart. Yeah, you just peek in. Is this cool?
Yeah.
Now they have jails, they have drugstores, they have train stations, they have all kinds of stuff here that's really awesome to see. Really life-size, giant old trains. Cool stuff, but there's one thing in particular that I really wanted to see in coming here, and it's right up here on my right-hand side, the Merle Haggard childhood home. Now, I grew up a huge fan of country music. I'm still a huge fan of country music, and one of my favorites is Merle Haggard. This is the home that he grew up in. It's an old boxcar from a train that his father turned into a home. It just looks really cool. Now in the 1930s, Kern County, it was hard to find a home. And so a man named James Haggard, who was Merle's father, found this train car, turned it into a home, and then raised his family in here. Merle later went on to become a huge country star with some great hits. But check out this house, you can see the train car.
This is actually cool. I can see the bathroom. I can see the fridge. A mini freezer. What? What's down there? The mini freezer.
So it's a very small, tight space, huh?
I can see how if I was younger, this would be big.
This would be big if you were.
Now, my son said that if I was little, this would seem like a really big place, but what he doesn't realize, there's a family of 5 living in this little train car. Merle had 2 older siblings, an older brother, older sister. The family had plans to build a bigger home, and then Merle was born, and that changed the plans. And so the whole family kind of stayed in this 1-room house. And Merle was also kind of a rebel, so he, in his early years, in his 20s, he ended up in jail. While in prison, he saw Johnny Cash perform. And it was seeing Johnny Cash's performance in prison that changed his life. And later, Merle went on to have 40 #1 hits, defined a genre known as the Bakersfield Sound, him and Buck Owens and a few others, and is honestly one of my favorite. He's one of the best country singers there is. One of the things I really love about seeing this humble beginning of such a popular and talented musician is that it really shows that kind of from any walks of life, any beginnings, anything, you can kind of work your way up and accomplish great things. Would you go to school here? No. Inside the old barn with some of the tools that were used. Gee, what do you think of this place?
It's huge.
It's huge. You like the park itself?
Yeah.
The museum?
Yeah, I would live here.
It's kind of a cool little community built up, huh?
Yeah.
Another building here that I kind of find fascinating, and like I said, I was in an accident. I spent a lot of time in the hospital here in Bakersfield, is this building right here. This is the Kern County Hospital. I think if I'd have come here after my accident, I'd be dead right now. Found some gold. Wow. This is inside of the hospital. I think this later developed into the Kern County Medical Center, which is actually where I first went after my accident. Now, if there's one thing that traveling Route 66 has given me, it's a love for neon signs and old gas stations. This museum has both. So this is a really cool place. It really is like stepping back in time a little bit, so you can kind of see really what it was like to live in those days in this area, especially in Kern County. It's pretty hot though, so I'm kind of wondering how they survived the heat. I haven't seen any kind of thing to like cool them down. I don't even think I've ever even seen a fan or anything. Like, it's hot here. So the courthouse is upstairs and the jail is downstairs. Check out the judge's chair. It has horns. It's like it's built for Gaston. No one judges like Gaston. Now inside this building behind me is the Bakersfield Sound exhibit. So this has different stuff with Merle Haggard, Buck Owens, some of the other Owenses. Some of their instruments, sheet music, things like that. Looks like it's closed today, which is kind of a disappointment, but it's all right. We'll come back another day and check it out. But this is really a cool place to visit. And that is our afternoon at the Kern County Museum. We got to see the Haggard house. I'm so excited about that. We're gonna hit the road. We got a long way to go to get to Arizona, but this is a fun stop. Thanks for coming with us on this adventure, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.
Making memories with every